everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft. Now I've come on today to do this little shoe here because someone posted on my Facebook group just yesterday how she'd made these like 2 little shoes and they were really cute, and then people asked if there was a tutorial or whatever. So this is not my idea, not my template or anything. I just found it online. It's by Ellen Hudson. She was the original designer. So I'll put a link to that. Just print it off, okay? When you print it off, cut it out. I've just cut it out of the paper so you can see how it cuts out. And then you just need to draw around it on the card that you want to use and then cut it out again. And then we have got an adorable little shoe. Now this paper here, it's a like designer paper which I purchased from a friend of mine, which is Joe. I'll put the link to his website because he may sell these. I know he did to me, but whether or not he does them all the time, I don't know. But I'll put a link to his website if you're interested. But they're basically just foiled designs, okay? So I have used them, and isn't that just so adorable? And it's so easy to make. But we're also going to make a little shoe box for it to go in. So I've drew round that onto my other piece of foiled paper, and then I've just scored the lines, which you have the cut lines on the paper, just mark them with a pencil. So we are just going to fold, and I'm not going to burnish it because I don't want to risk rubbing the foil off. So I'm just using my fingers to burnish them down. It's dead easy. It basically just folds up. You will glue that there. Now this bit, the back comes up like this, and then these just fold in and just glue it like this. So it's dead easy. So I'm going to quickly glue this one together. So easy to put together. So I just used a little bow die that I have. I'll put the link for it. It's here. It's just an ALINACRAFTS die. And I'm just going to hot glue this together. There we go. So we've got 2 adorable little shoes, and then I just took a couple of pieces of card which were 2 by 1 inches, and I just stamped thanks, then so very much, and I just took my little micron pen and I just drew some faux stitching, because what I thought was I am going to glue these so you know, like it would be the like label or the size of the shoe inside, and that is like going to be my little sentiment, if you get what I mean. So cute. So as I said, I wanted to make a shoe box as well. Now the size I want, we won't get a piece of card big enough, so we're going to make it to make it in sections. So I've got 2 pieces of card which are 12 by, let me get my measurements. They are 12 by 4 inches, okay. Then what you want to do is score them both on the long side at 6.5 inches and 11.5. Okay, score the short side at 3.5 inches. Same again, long side 6.5, 11.5, short side 3.5. Now this is going to make the sides of our box. So we're going to have one side there, and then we're going to have do you see what I mean? This is going to make our box. These bits at the bottom are going to make a lip so that we can then glue a bottom on it. That was just a way I came up with to do it. So the small little section here, take some scissors and just cut up like that. Don't miter it or anything. We don't need this little square here, so we can just cut that away. Do the same with this one. Cut the little square away, and then just cut up there, so you should have that. So get this out the way. Okay, and then you want 2 pieces which are just under 6.5 and just under 5, just a tiny bit. So what we are going to do is we are going to glue these together just like this. Sorry, I've left my tumble dryer on, it's an absolute pain. So just put some glue down here like that, and then we want to just glue our little shoe box together just like that, and then we want a bit of glue on the other tab, and then we want to glue this one together as well. So what we've got now is a little box, okay, and then if we fold these, just glue them down just like that, any way will do, and then we can fit our little bottom over it, and then the other piece we can then glue it on the inside, okay. So I'm just going to put glue along here, goes down, see, we've just made our own little box. Checking that this might need a bit of a trim. No, it doesn't actually. And then just glue on here. We've got a perfect little box now. Now what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to cover the sides with some more of this paper. So So you are going to need 2 which are 6 3/8 by 3 3/8, 2 which are 3 3/8 by, I would say 4 7/8. So I'll quickly cut them and I'll be straight back. Okay, so there's the box. I've just covered it in the same paper. You could even put some in the bottom if you wanted to, but it's nice and thick and we can't even tell it was joined. So I'm just doing the lid out of the same patterned foil. It needs to measure 8 5/8 by 7 1/8, and all you want to do is score all 4 sides at 1 inch. Okay, again I'm just going to fold it with my fingers because I don't want to risk scratching or damaging the foil. And then I'm just going to cut up the little squares just so we're creating little tabs with them. And this is so easy to make. You don't need any dies or any cutting machines or anything, and it makes a beautiful little gift. But as I said, I'll put all the links on my blog with the measurements and the download for the template. So just pop glue on there on the tabs. There's our little lid. I'm just going to check it fits. Yep, that fits perfectly actually. Really nice fit. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Now let's get our little adorable little shoes. This is so cute. And they just sit perfectly in there. There's a little bit of room but not a lot, and then inside you've got your little shoes, and then we've got our adorable little box with a lid. Now how cute is that? That would just make a beautiful present. Absolutely love it. So I hope you like it. I will be back again soon. I'm going to also be doing a Sizzix week. I've just been so busy I've never had a chance to use my stuff, but yeah, we're going to do a Sizzix week. Use all the forms, the texture sheets, see what we can make. So I'll keep you posted. I'm hoping it'll be next week. But yeah, this is gorgeous, and I will put Joe's website for these papers that he makes. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.